Welcome on to our second First Friday opening. This is a beautiful evening, and it's beautiful to see all the new faces here today. And then first of all, I want to thank you, the CD of Vancouver and the Art Center that allow us to have this. This is one of the kind that we created here in Vancouver for all the community. As you see around, there's many different organizations here. So now I want to invite them all up here. You can actually see them. Many of you are new, so you probably want to see their faces and their story. So first of all, I want to invite Anita Tang. She's the representing the Cambodian American Community of Oregon. Please come up here, Anita. Craig Garrett Cho Chong, he's a member of the Japanese community in Clark County here. Mrs. Kale, representing, hello Mrs. Kale. She's representing the Lao community in Clark County. And Mr. Tenzin Johnny, the Education Director of Northwest Tibetan Culture Association. Mr. Bin Quang is the president of the Vancouver Chinese Association. And Mr. Wang Jing is the organizer of the Oregon Artists Association in Vancouver Painting Ground. Eric Emerge is the teacher of the Kung Fu for Eternal Earth Kung Fu. And Maneng Cheng is the Portland Women Association that is performing the drum now for us today. Please come up here, Mrs. Manna. Mr. Chen is the board member of the Chongqing Nanshan District Musician Association. And we have Mrs. Jinda Hansen. She's representing the Thai, but she's traveling overseas, so she cannot come. And also we have Helen. She's the representative for the Korean, but she's cannot come here today. So as you see, this event is including many of us here to be able to create some history for Vancouver. So now I probably will invite them to.
All of us have practiced really hard in all the events, and it's really cool to have a cultural group like this to be able to show off all the different stuff. So remember, Kung Fu is diligent or mastery through diligent hard work. All right.
This is James. Wait.
Hello, everybody. My name is Wayne, and I am the artist, local artist. It is my honor to be here and part of the Asian Art and Culture Festival. And also thank you for the organization and give me the opportunity to the artists from Portland, Oregon and the local artists. So we have Chinese style painting and Western watercolor and oil painting. Happy New Year! 恭喜发财!
Mrs. Kelly, want to say a few words?
Hi, everybody. Sabaydi. I'm representing North Arm. Yeah, that's my business. Thank you for everybody come to see.
Okay. Hello, everybody. Okay. I speak Chinese 嚇。OK， 我哋係波特蘭婦女聯誼會。我哋係嚟呢度今日咧邀請我哋過嚟表演係嘅 Trap Dance， 我哋係打鼓，希望大家中意我哋嘅表演。Happy New Year! Thank you.
I'll give you a translation. Okay, so they are from Portland Women Association. Their big gun is drum dance tonight. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy and happy New Year and happy Year of the Horse. That is what should you say? Now.
Thank you. Good evening, and Tashidele. That's how we say hello in Tibetan. I'm Tenzin Chunyi. I'm representing NWTCA. which is Northwest Tibetan Cultural Association. And our community center is located in Northeast Portland. And our main goal is to preserve and promote the unique Tibetan culture. And this year we're celebrating the Year of Compassion and celebrating the 90th birthday of the Dalai Lama. So we're very glad to be here showcasing our unique Tibetan culture and would like to thank VCC to invite us here to be part of this thing. Thank you.
As you see that we have this many organizations to create something very beautiful for Vancouver, and we looking forward to do this every year. Are we? And thank you all, and hopefully we will create it again next year. And today we will wish everybody a happy new year. Chúc mừng năm mới. Cũng hy bắt này đấy. Chúc mừng năm mới. Chúc mừng. Yeah, chúc mừng. Happy niên mới năm mới. Chúc mừng năm mới. Thank you, thank you. And before I go down, I want to introduce Thủy. She's the Thủy, come up here, Thủy. She's the main designer for the project. So she just have a few words with everybody.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. Well, I hope everybody is enjoying the exhibit. It was a pleasure for me to be able to put this together. I guess the challenge, number one challenge that I faced when designing a stage this one, if you didn't know, this used to hold many, many books.
Okay, hello again. We have our Sunday school kids performing next, and these kids are from 2nd to 4th grade in our language class. So the next song they're gonna dance is called Sakyatamo. Tibetan Buddhism is so ingrained in our culture, so even all our songs and dance, we're talking about Buddha, the leaders, and our parents. That's usually all the lyrics is about. We talk about our natural beauty surrounding the Tibetan plateau. So that's what this song is about. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you.
trẻ trai trình trao 100 triệu trải trang trong trường rõ ràng trai trong trắng trẻ trung trùng trùng rất rối rền rang rậm ràng đã là mang nghiệp ca cầm phải cần luyện tập thường xuyên ca cho đúng nhịp phát âm rõ ràng liên lấy phải tròn dành rõ chữ không quên lời ngọng đất đâm hơi tự trọng mình để khán giả trọng ta vì nghệ sĩ là kỹ sư tâm hồn. Thank you so much. Augustine will be a
This performance expresses the beauty and emotion of rainfall through elegant movement. Please welcome our youth students of the Vietnamese Innovation Club, Elena, Olivia, Ja, and Megan. Please give them a hand.
Mưa rơi rơi trên đường, mưa rơi suốt cánh trường, mưa rơi ướt vô vườn, mưa trôi lá trong vườn, mưa đang tí tách veo ven đường. Mưa rơi trên sông dài, mưa qua khắp non đoài, mưa cho thắm hoa đời, mưa trôi hết đủ hoài, mưa cho đám luôn non mỉm cười. Mưa đêm tươi vui về cho thắm áo ngầu, mưa cho nâng dâu và khoai sắn lên màu, mưa như chút dầu, mưa tô lúa đầu, mưa rơi qua bên hải Cà Mau, mưa rơi trên vai chàng, mưa rơi ướt vai nàng, mưa rơi khắp thôn làng, mưa gieo những cung đàn, mưa như tiếng ru con dịu dàng. Mưa yêu bông hoa đời, mưa yêu bông hoa đời, mưa yêu biết bao người, mưa yêu biết bao người, mưa không biết hững hờ, mưa thương lúa bơ vơ, mưa yêu lúa mong mưa từng giờ. Mưa yêu thương ai nghèo, mưa yêu thương ai nghèo, mưa cho lúa ngô nhiều, mưa cho lúa ngô nhiều, mưa cho hết tiêu điều, mưa cho những ai nghèo, mưa cho thắm bữa cơm ban chiều. Mưa rơi phương đông rồi mưa tới phương tây, mưa gieo hương xuân về trên những luống cây, mưa rơi chốn này, mưa cho lúa đầy, mưa cho riêng ta càng đắm say. Mưa không yêu ngàn đời, mưa không yêu ngàn đời, mưa không muốn ai buồn, mưa không muốn ai buồn, mưa yêu nước non này, mưa yêu miếng dân cày, mưa cho lúa ngô hương gạo đầy. Mưa còn gieo xuống đời, mưa về cho lúa thêm Thank you very much.
Tonight I'm going to play when she listen with out. Oh wait, 1 minute. Oh, so hot here. Oh my gosh. All right. So hot. Okay, calm down, buddy. Calm down? How can you expect me calm down? It's so hot inside the bed.
No, I don't. Yes, you do. No, I don't. Yes, you do. You're right. You're right. What did I say? Hey, where's this place? Here is the art center. Art center? Yeah, we just have a Asian art exhibition here. Asian art exhibition? Yes. Oh, are these all arts? These? Yeah, are they? Oh, no. They're all real people. They are humans. No, I don't think so. Why? Because these things move. They don't move. No, they move. I saw them move. Could you give him a round of applause? See? They move, right? They're clapping their hands. No, I don't think so. They are robots. No, they're not robots. Hey, is it because you are a product, so you think they are all products? No, I am not a product. I am a human. No, you're not. Yes, why? Because I see there's a tag here, here in the back. There's a tag that says, made in China. That is my clothes. I am a child. No, you are a puppet. No, I am a child. I am the world. You are the world? What is that? We are the world. We are the children. So I am a human. You hear that? Okay. Whatever you think. Anyway, let's get back to our business.
He's a local Tibetan artist and also a tattoo artist as well. So he grew up in Amdo, and he himself is a nomad actually. So this is his performance. He's gonna sing with his flute and drums. That's the original Tibetan nomadic lifestyle. We're in the grassland. They are just out there in the open area. They sing their lungs out, and we call it Lu. So I hope you guys enjoy nomadic Lu.
Tashidele everyone again, and first time I'm going to be prayer, only 3 syllables, Om, Om, very simple. And I grew up in Nomad, so in the summer we always pray for all Sentinelese happiness. So the most I believe is knows about Buddhism, so I know mantras. So today we can make all together, only 3. Om, Home, so you guys can follow me, yeah? Okay, we'll do it 3 times, but the next are longer, yeah? One more. Thank you. love a flute song. My old flute songs in Spotify and Apple Music. All you can listen for free. Okay, next song is called So these are all mantras. And here I have 4 elements. It's a water, earth, fire. So what I'm going to sing is a Tibetan Norman song. We all sing for it and a bird sounds. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much. Okay, a lot of things. There's a native Indian drum, but native Indians and the Tibetan nomad, a lot of the cultures we share. We're similar. We have a drum like this, but we have a holder here, and I'm still process to make it. But next year, I'm going to have it. But I'm going to do the same dance we call offer for the earth god. So I'm going to do some stuff to dance, and if you like to, you can join here. I'm going to make it short for 3 minutes. Hope you enjoy.
Con xích ông mày lội 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 sông ông mày đi
Wow, that is so amazing.
Thank you. Thank you. The next dance we have is Doyo Kamsum, which means the three provinces of Tibet, Uzang, Kham, and Amdo. Although we share the same written language, the way we speak, accent-wise, is very different. And you can also tell by the dress they wear, are all called chubas, but you can tell which region they're from by looking at them. Tibetan people, on their jewelries, they like to wear lots of turquoise, amber, pearl, and hope you guys enjoy this next medley of songs with three provinces from Tibet. Thank you.
What a special performance. Wow, tonight we've been in for a treat, from different musical instruments to drums to dance. And now we move to a very special part of tonight's program. The three cultures the two panels are sewn together in the back and two panels fall freely in the front. Under the Aldutan, women often wear a pink im, a black skirt, and a colorful silk sash tied around the waist. So the Chinese traditional fashion, we have our beautiful ladies wearing the different colors and there's different accessories.
call this qi pao. Qi pao is just for elegant ladies. It feature with the split on both sides, so the leg will be showing part of the leg, and also the waist, the level waist can show the curve of women, all their beautiful curve. And also in the southern China, there is always raining. So umbrella pair with the qi pao is a very traditional pairing. It's a good match. And most of the qi pao will have a high collar. You can see the high collar there is one of the features. Umbrella and lantern are all match their dress.
To ask three of the members to be on stage just to explain real quick. So she is from the Uzang province, and what she's wearing on the top is for special occasions called patun. It's a Y shape, and you can see the turquoise necklaces. This piece right here is called a kou, and she's wearing an apron we call bangdeng, also indicating that she's married. Tibetan culture. This is usually women in the Uzang province will wear this. And then we have this gentleman here from Amdo province. The hat is a very Amdo specific called chingsha, and usually the men will pull their rope or chuba up to their knees and tie it with the sash. Use different colors of sash, and usually the chubas are from wool or sheep skin and silk. We have this gentleman here from the Kham province. Usually people have long hair, so they tie around. This is called talo, and the Kham people are the warriors, so they like to wear their swords and have the mecha. They're ready to start a fire for their camp. Obviously, Tibetan people are in the high altitude, living a nomadic lifestyle. So this is a rough description of the attire that Tibetan people wear. So hope you enjoy this show.
Lâu chỉ là mãi là mẹ cưng đã là tuy rằng ở nhà thì dễ cơ là ly 的旅游，将爱我痛，冷感不漏，他多更高，可得养了车，没两天我就吃你，连往个小松街。
We get to see them for one last look, so please give them a warm welcome back to the stage. Wow, can we put our hands together for the fashion show? Beautiful cultures, beautiful colors from our Vietnam, China, and Tibet. Now it is time for everyone to join in the celebration if you have not already, right? We invite you to participate in Gorshi, a traditional Tibetan circle dance, which will happen right there in the area where everyone is. Circle dancing is a joyful tradition often performed at the end of gatherings to celebrate friendship and community together. So everyone is welcome. Please come forward and join us. After the dance, we will gather together and take one big group picture. So please stay for that as well. So our group dance children will be on the carpet area down below. So I invite you to please come down and join everyone. We are off the stage at this time. Thank you so much. We love your dancing and we want you to be a part of the circle. Okay? So please wait as our dance leaders instruct us on how to do this together. So please listen. Okay, we're good for the music. And if you don't know, just follow the person next to you. And if they don't know, then you will follow together this leader right here. He will show us.
Shadow
생 자사 민도 아로 초라 아로 초라 봉골한 배야 주미대 아로 초라 슈구 고에 야라라 총 아로 초라 아로 초라 따이 계자 봉고 립총 아로 초라 따당 봉고 자사 민도 아로 초라 아로 초라 차이 계자 수지 립총 아로 초라 차당 슐란 자사 민도 아로 초라 아로 초라 팔라 상불 찾아야 두 아로 초라 초라 님배 죽동라 총 아로 초라 아로 초라 차기 계자 강바 립총 아로 초라 차당 강반 자사 민도 아로 초라 아로 초라 시기 계자 라즈 립총 아로 초라 시다라라 자사 민도 아로 초라 아로 초라 야슈 바베 두라미 비 아로 초라 마코 아메 셰셰라 총 아로 초라 아로 초라 마코 아메 셰셰라 총 아로